Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen. This is Jen's Happy Home, and I'm really excited to share a Once Upon a Bookcase unboxing with you guys. It is a dreary, rainy day. I'm in my car. I've never done an unboxing in my car, but I just recently got this and I'm so anxious to open it. I really cannot wait to see what is inside. Once Upon a Bookcase is a monthly subscription box where you get a fun phone case that is themed after a book. So I can't open this quick enough. So here we go. Let me open up this box and see what we have inside for October. I'm using tweezers to open my box. How about that? That's what I have on hand in my car, but it worked just fine. All right, well, let's see what is inside. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. I know this is gonna be Hocus Pocus. I see the eye on it and I'm obsessed with Hocus Pocus. We just did a Hocus Pocus movie night the other night. This is an awesome phone case because it's actually the kind of case where you can put your credit cards and your ID and everything in it. It's by Chicklet Designs, and I can slip my phone case right in here. This is really neat. It's the eye from Hocus Pocus. If you guys remember the spell book, this is really cool. And I cannot wait to put my phone in this. So cool. Oh, there's more stuff in here. All right, we also have this canvas book bag and it says amok, amok, amok. And that's like my favorite scene in the movie too. So that is perfect. I'm like really excited right now. Ever since COVID started, I have not wanted to invest a lot of money in a mask because in my mind I keep thinking, oh, it's gonna be over soon and we'll be fine, but that's not happening. Look at this mask. This is great, and it even has these little, I don't know what they're called because this whole COVID thing is still new to me, but it's like, it kind of looks like little air filters that you can slip inside. It has a little compartment in here that you can put this in the mask, and that makes it more safe, I suppose, but this is so exciting. Wait, let's try this on again. Did I have it on the right way? I do think I did, yeah. So this is like Bette Midler's mouth. Awesome. This is such a fun box. I wasn't sure what to expect with this, but this is so much fun. I'm so gonna put this in my car. I smell children, it says, and it has all of their hairstyles for the 3 Sanderson sisters. This is awesome. These look like little tattoos, little Hocus Pocus tattoos. And then there's just this little postcard that says, it's just a bunch of Hocus Pocus. And then it tells you everything that's in here. So it's the book phone case of the month, the tote bag, the mask, and oh, those are nail decals. These are nail decals. They are not tattoos. This is so awesome. I'm really excited. I love this box. So perfect for October and all things Halloween. So there you go. And it's upside down. There you go. My Once Upon a Bookcase unboxing. Love it. I'm so excited. I think this might be something I'm gonna sign up for. I am really psyched for this. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope you like seeing everything that was inside this box. I'm really excited to start using all of my new things that I received today. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. Comment below if you are also part of Once Upon a Bookcase subscription boxes, and let me know your experience if you've been enjoying their monthly boxes. That was a lot of fun. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.